Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm presenting 3 easy potato recipes, quick, budget-friendly, and very delicious ideas. Recipe number 1, baked potato patties, no frying. Ingredients, for approximately 4 servings. Potatoes, 800 grams, about 5 medium. Onion, 1 medium, 80 grams. Eggs, 2 parsley, 2 tablespoons, finely chopped grated yellow cheese, 50 grams, optional for richer flavor, olive oil or vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon or 1 small fresh clove, black pepper, to taste breadcrumbs, about 4 tablespoons, for thickening and coating. Preparation: 1. Prepare the potatoes. Peel them, boil in salted water for about 20 minutes until tender, then mash them. 2. Mix the ingredients. Add the onion, eggs, parsley, garlic, cheese, salt, and black pepper. If the mixture is too soft, add 2 to 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs. 3. Shape the patties. With wet hands, form balls, gently flatten them, and coat them in breadcrumbs. 4. Bake. Arrange on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, brush with olive oil, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes, turning them halfway through. Nutritional values: per 1 serving, about 3 patties. Calories: approximately 260 kilocalories. Protein: 9 grams. Carbohydrates: 38 grams. Fat: 8 grams. Fiber: 4 grams. Suitable for a quick and budget-friendly dinner or lunch. Vegetarians, if you skip the cheese, also suitable for a fasting menu. A healthier alternative to fried potato patties. Recipe number 2, stuffed potatoes with eggs and cheese, baked. Ingredients, for approximately 4 servings. Potatoes, 4 large, about 1 kilogram total. Cheese, 120 grams. White brined cheese or cottage cheese. Eggs, 4 green onions or parsley. Chopped butter, 30 grams, 2 tablespoons. Salt. To taste black pepper. To taste. Preparation: 1. Boil the potatoes. Wash them and boil whole for about 15 minutes until slightly tender, then cut them in half and let them cool. 2. Scoop them out. Using a spoon, remove the inside and mash it with a fork. 3. Prepare the filling. Mix the potato flesh with the cheese, butter, parsley, salt, and black pepper. 4. Fill the potato boats. Spoon the mixture into the potato halves, make a small well, and add 1 egg to each. 5. Bake. Arrange in a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes until golden. Nutritional values: per 1 serving, 2 halves. Calories: approximately 310 kilocalories. Protein: 15 grams. Carbohydrates: 28 grams. Fat: 15 grams. Fiber: 3 grams. Suitable for a quick and tasty dinner or breakfast, kids and adults, a loved and classic combination. Recipe number 3, country-style oven-baked potatoes with spices and a crispy crust. Ingredients, for approximately 4 servings. Potatoes, 1 kilogram garlic, 3 cloves onion, 1 medium, 100 grams, olive oil or vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons spices, paprika, 1 teaspoon rosemary, dried or fresh, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Preparation: 1. Prepare the potatoes, peel them, or leave the skins on, and cut into wedges or slices. 2. Season. Place them in a bowl, add the olive oil, spices, onion, and garlic. Mix well. 3. Bake. Arrange in a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 35 to 40 minutes, stirring halfway through until golden and crispy. Nutritional values: per 1 serving, about 250 grams. Calories: approximately 280 kilocalories. Protein: 5 grams. Carbohydrates: 48 grams. Fat: 8 grams. Fiber: 6 grams. suitable for a side dish for meat or fish, a light dinner with a fresh salad, vegan and vegetarian menus. If you enjoyed the recipes, subscribe to my channel for more delicious ideas.